In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Weebly. Hyperlinks are essential for navigating between pages and directing your site visitors to other resources or content that enhances their experience. Mastering this simple yet powerful tool can help you create a more interactive and user-friendly website. To begin, open the Weebly site editor, where you'll see a menu at the top. Click on Build. Once you do that, you'll see a list of elements appear in the left panel. These are different tools you can drag and drop to create and customize your website. It's a straightforward and intuitive process designed to give you creative control. Let's focus on the text element, which is a fundamental building block for adding written content to your site. Find the text element in the list and simply drag it to the desired location on your page. It's as easy as that. Once it's positioned where you want it, you can click inside the text box and start typing whatever content you need. Now, suppose you've already added some text to your site and want to hyperlink a part of it. This is where enhancing functionality and navigation comes into play. Highlight the specific text that you wish to turn into a hyperlink. By doing this, you are essentially selecting it as the area on which you want to add an interactive feature. With the text still highlighted, look for the chain link icon. This is the universal symbol for creating hyperlinks, and it's typically easy to spot. Clicking this icon opens up options that allow you to decide where your hyperlink will lead. The beauty of Weebly is in its flexibility. You can link to an external website URL if you wish to direct users outside of your site for more information, resources, or purchases. Alternatively, you can choose to link to another page within your own website, which is great for guiding visitors through your various services, blogs, or different sections that flow together. Once you've selected your desired link type and completed the action, take a moment to observe your text. You'll notice a change in its format, often indicated by a different color or underlining, which signifies it's now an active hyperlink. This visual transformation makes it clear to users that the text is clickable and interactive. And there you have it. You have successfully created a hyperlink in Weebly. By incorporating hyperlinks, you enable a seamless journey for your website visitors and make your content more accessible and connected. Thanks for joining me today, and happy linking on your Weebly creations.